Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you such a completed set and let the harvesting begin by using a balcony solar power system. It's a small photovoltaic system, and here it comes by Solarcon. It's the on power, and it comes with a garden flat roof bracket with 4 panels without a memory system, and we will get all what we need to harvest sun energy, and then we can use this energy by ourselves. It's all in what we will need. A photovoltaic system for generating electrical power. It consists of one or more solar models. In this case, I bought 4 of them, but you can use one, of course. You can use 2, 3, or 4 as you need it or as you like it. You can attach it or assemble it in the garden, as you can see, or on a rooftop. No prop, for example, or on a flat roof. It's possible too. It consists of one or more solar models, an inverter, a low voltage connection cable, and a plug for connecting to the final circuit in the network of an end consumer. And this is our own consumer network. The balcony, the carport, the garage roof, or a terrace are often used as installation locations. The electricity generated can be used immediately. Unused electricity flows from the consumer's connection into the public grid without compensation. But if you have a lot of consumption of energy at home because a lot of energy supply there, it is enough to back up your system, to enhance your system at home. Okay. As of October 2024 in Germany, more than 700,000 balcony power solar systems were installed. The United States, which has a potential market of 57 gigawatts for balcony solar power plants, lacks regulations for such systems, and that's so bad because it is a small solution to get energy out of the sunlight. It's really cool. Often you will see rooftop solar power systems there. This is a PV system. This is a photovoltaic PV system that has its electricity generating solar panels mounted on the rooftop of a residential or commercial building or a structure. The various components in such a system include the photovoltaic models, mounting system, cable, solar inverter, battery storage system, charger controllers, monitoring system, racking and mounting system, energy management system, net metering system, disconnect switches, grounding equipment, protective devices, combined boxes, weatherproof enclosure, and other electronic accessories. You see, you will need so much stuff for a rooftop mounted system, which is small compared to utility scale solar ground mounted photovoltaic power stations with a capacity in the megawatt range, hence beyond a farm of the distributed generation. A comprehensive life cycle analytics study showed that the rooftop solar is better for the environment than utility scale solar. Most rooftop PV stations are grid connected photovoltaic power systems. Rooftop PV systems on the residential buildings are typical features a capacity of about 5 or 20 kilowatt, while those mounted on a commercial building often reach 100 kilowatts to 1 megawatt. Very large roof can house industrial PV system in the range of 1 up to 10 megawatt. As of 2022, around 25 million households rely on the rooftop solar power worldwide. Australia has by far the most rooftop solar capacity per capita. You see, a rooftop solar power power system, of course, is much bigger, but it's much expansiver because a rooftop solar power system, a PV system, has to be installed by a professional. In this balcony power plant here, you can make this by yourself. You only have to watch my assembly instruction videos, for example. And then you can handle this. Because if I can handle this, you can handle this, of course, easy peasy, because you're much better than me, of course. But a rooftop solar power system, the big one, is so expensive, like a standard house roof with a PV system will cost you 20 up to 30,000 euro, and such a small system, a balcony solar power system, which is not only has to be installed on a balcony. No, that's not so. You can attach this, install it, maybe on the ground of the bottom. That's possible too. You can also do this on a flat rooftop. You can also do this on your, of course, on your house, on the wall, on where you can do this. Everywhere you can install this. But the only thing is, you will need a power socket, a standard power socket, and then you can start with the assembling. It will cost you, I think, 2 hours. After this, you're ready and can start harvesting this. The parapet wide of such a device, 7 centimeter. Adjustable angles, out to 30 degrees Celsius. Parapet round and rectangular is possible. That's for minimum of wide balcony of 7.9 meters. For balcony, for example, because there are a lot of bracket out in the market. Or as mine system here, you can use this for a flat roof or a garden. That means you should have 12 square meters space on your rooftop, and then you can easy peasy attach this, because you can use stones for a supporting stand there. That's perfect for garage tops, carports, or as well the garden area. Then you can attach this to the garden or the flat roof. Of course, you can make this on the wall or the facade of your garage, of your home too. So you see, there are a lot of possibilities of assembling this. Not only on the balcony, on the facades too. We have an adjusted angle of up to 30 degrees. Minimum area is 9 square meters for that. We can assemble it on the concrete, hollow bricks, or solid bricks. Then on the market, you have a garden house in your garden. Then you can assemble it there. You can assemble it and attach it there. There it's the same. Up to 30 degrees. You should have 9 square meters. You can attach it on a wood roof, an EPDM fall roof, or nearly everything on the garden roof itself. And a tiled roof assemblies too. That means you can make an assembly on the tiled roof, like on the bigger PV system. It's the same thing, because it's the same assembly steps which you have. But the only thing is, you have to attach it then, or make a setup, and then you plug it into the system. Job's done. You can produce per year 1,799 kilowatt hour with one balcony power plant. That means it will cost you round about 1,000 euro, and this is amortizations period is or maybe 1.5 years. After this, you will make plus cash with that. And over 30 years, we can save. Nearly around about a lot of kilowatt hour, isn't it? And it will be works up to 30 years, no problem. This is an easy installation in only 2 hours. And our energy comes with our independence. It's more than just an easy installation process because it is good for the nature too. You will save energy. You will save cash. You do a good job for a better tomorrow by using such a balcony solar power system. So make the next step. Buy one of that kind of balcony solar power system. Go step by step with my videos, and then we can start harvesting together. The entire mankind should be possible to make such an easy peasy energy producing. This here is my first step with this balcony solar power by Solarcon, and this is the on power with 4 panels with one protective contact cable and 5 meter, one inverter which will deliver 800 watt by Growatt, 6 times extension cables, 2 times inverter bracket, 4 times wire plugs. I can monitor all by using the Solarcon app, and we have 4 garden flat roof brackets. All this together comes to us under €1,000, and we can make 2,000 watt peak. And let's start the harvesting begin. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.